You've probably heard about eSIMs, but how do they actually work? Do they really replace traditional SIM cards? And why are so many travelers switching to them? In this video, I'll break it down in simple terms and show you how an eSIM works in practice, using Saily as a real example, a service that lets you get mobile data abroad without inserting a physical SIM card. And if you'd like to see how to set it up step by step, you'll find the link in the description, the pinned comment, or you can scan the QR code on screen. The promo code is also written in the description, but the discount only works if you access Saily through one of these links. Let's get into it. An eSIM is basically a digital version of a traditional SIM card. Instead of inserting a small plastic chip into your phone, the mobile plan information is downloaded directly onto your device. The SIM technology is already built into your smartphone, which means you can activate a mobile line entirely online. With services like Saily, everything is done remotely. You choose your plan, install it digitally, and your phone is ready to connect, even before you leave for your trip. So, how does the process actually work in real life? The process is surprisingly simple. First, you select your destination and choose a data plan directly on Saily. Once you complete your purchase, your phone guides you through the installation steps displayed on screen. During the setup, your device securely downloads the necessary network information and adds a new mobile line to your settings. When you arrive at your destination, all you need to do is activate that line. Your phone will then connect to a local partner network automatically. The key advantage is that everything is configured ahead of time. There's no need to remove your current SIM card or insert a new one while traveling. If you want to go straight to the setup process and activate the promo code, the link is available in the description, the pinned comment, or via the QR code shown on screen. But why are eSIMs especially popular for travel? The main reason is cost control. Traditional roaming fees from home carriers can be extremely expensive. With an eSIM solution like Saily, you buy your data plan in advance and know exactly how much you're paying. Another big advantage is flexibility. You can keep your primary SIM active for calls and texts while using the eSIM only for mobile data. That means you can land in a new country, open Google Maps immediately, book a ride, message someone, or browse the web without searching for Wi-Fi or visiting a SIM card shop. It's simply more convenient. To sum it up, an eSIM works just like a traditional SIM card, but in a fully digital way. That's what makes it such a practical solution for staying connected abroad. Quick reminder, if you want to try Saily with a discount, you'll find the promo link in the description, the pinned comment, and via the QR code on screen. The promo code is also in the description, but make sure to use one of these access points as they're the only ways to activate the discount. And if you'd like to see my full review of Saily and whether it's really worth it, check out the video appearing on your screen right now.